Hi, Lyle McVeigh here. Today I'm standing on a just unwrapped Harris Solstice 250. It's a dual helm design. So it's got two captain's chairs behind wraparound tinted windshield. Here's the captain's helm. We've got a Simrad, 9-inch Simrad in the dash there for gauges and GPS functions. JL audio over here on this side. JL head unit. On this side you've got a glove box storage, nice handhold in case things get exciting out there with the 350 Mercury that's on the back of this thing. Also have stereo controls there for the passenger to help control the stereo. Storage in both sides of this, so underneath both helms you have storage access. In the front of this boat we did add the bow jump seat, so you have that as an option. You can take that out, have access to that gate there in the front. In the front here, this is the Harris's new lineup in the couches. So we've got recessed cubbies with lighted cup holders and USB ports on both sides. Again on this side as well. Big generous ski locker in the middle of the floor here. And you can see the dual helm design. Go ahead and close the windscreen so you can see what that would look like. Real sleek look. Keep you protected from the elements. It does have a center filler there that would go in the middle there to block that from the wind. So if you were to go out on a cold, windy day, you could stay protected. We ordered this model with the power tower and double biminis. So we have a forward bimini, this middle fill piece, and a rear bimini. This is Solstice, the new layout, the new single lounge layout for the Solstice this year. So it's a 6-way positional flip-flop lounge here in the back. So you can have it facing, so passengers can sit facing forward, they can sit lounging backwards, or you can lay it fully flat and have a complete sun pad on the back. It's got an ice chest here under this compartment there, built-in ice chest, as well as stereo controls here at the transom for swim up and while you're sitting lounging. We also ordered this model with the swim seat, so flip down swim seat and a deep reach stainless ladder, make it real easy to get up out of the water. So there's a quick walkthrough of the 2020 Harris Solstice 250 with the dual helm design. Hope you enjoyed that. Come by and see us here at MarineMax in Dallas, or you can check us out on the web at MarineMax.com. Have a great day.